Join me as I dive into the challenge of hitting $70,000 in monthly recurring revenue using the game-changer FLUX AI model. In today's AI landscape, we're witnessing a seismic shift in the way businesses operate, and at the forefront of this revolution is the FLUX AI model. This game-changing technology is rewriting the rules of what's possible when it comes to achieving predictable and sustainable revenue growth. When it comes to revenue growth, businesses face a multitude of challenges. One of the most significant hurdles is the ability to consistently scale and maintain growth over time. Traditional methods often rely on intuition, guesswork, and manual forecasting, which can lead to inaccurate predictions and missed opportunities. These outdated approaches not only hinder growth but also waste valuable resources on ineffective strategies. Moreover, they fail to account for the intricacies of the market, resulting in stagnant revenue and disappointing returns. In fact, the biggest mistake businesses make is relying on historical data to inform future predictions, without taking into account the dynamic nature of the market. This outdated approach ignores the complexities of customer behavior, market trends, and external factors that influence revenue growth. The FLUX AI model, on the other hand, is a paradigm shift in the way we approach revenue growth. This cutting-edge technology is specifically designed to address the shortcomings of traditional methods, providing businesses with a reliable and scalable solution to hit their revenue targets. At its core, the FLUX AI model is an advanced AI-powered system that analyzes vast amounts of data in real time, identifying patterns and trends that would be impossible for humans to detect. This allows businesses to make data-driven decisions, rather than relying on intuition or guesswork. The FLUX AI model's features are truly revolutionary. Its advanced algorithms can predict revenue growth with uncanny accuracy, identifying opportunities for optimization and improvement. Moreover, its real-time monitoring capabilities enable businesses to respond swiftly to changes in the market, staying ahead of the competition. One of the most significant benefits of the FLUX AI model is its ability to automate manual forecasting processes, freeing up valuable resources for more strategic initiatives. This not only saves time and money, but also reduces the risk of human error, ensuring that revenue growth is both sustainable and predictable. I still remember the moment when I first realized the potential of the FLUX AI model. It was like a light bulb had gone off in my head. I knew that this technology had the power to transform the way businesses approach revenue growth. Since then, I've seen countless success stories of businesses that have leveraged the FLUX AI model to achieve remarkable revenue growth. From startups to established enterprises, the results have been nothing short of astonishing, with some businesses even achieving $70,000 in monthly recurring revenue. One of the most striking aspects of the FLUX AI model is its ability to democratize revenue growth, making it accessible to businesses of all sizes and industries. Whether you're a solopreneur or a multinational corporation, this technology has the power to transform your revenue growth strategy. In conclusion, the FLUX AI model is a game-changer for businesses looking to achieve sustainable and predictable revenue growth. With its advanced AI-powered algorithms, real-time monitoring capabilities, and automation features, this technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we approach revenue growth. So, what do you think about the FLUX AI model and its potential to transform revenue growth? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you're interested in exploring more AI innovations, be sure to check out my next video.